Good morning friends. This is a sum from 12th standard 5 mark questions. The question is, by vector method prove that cos alpha plus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Now we prove this. So here we draw axis O x axis and this is y axis. So this is here Cartesian axis OX OY. Here now we take two ray. One ray is like this, we take it down. This is alpha. Two rays. This is one ray, and here is another one. And yes. Now we take it 2 points. One point is here A. Another one is here B. Yes. So now take 2 points A and B. A and B on the circle, that is unit circle. Unit circle is the circle of radius 1 unit. That is OA OB 1. Circle with center as origin O. So now we take, this is the origin of this axis OX OY. For this origin we consider as a center and we draw one circle of radius 1 unit, that is OA OB. These two are the, if you draw one circle, the points will come on the circle. So like this we take. Now we that is OA, vector OA modulus vector OA equal to modulus vector OB equal to 1 unit. Here now we draw two perpendiculars. Before that, now we give the name. This is alpha and this is beta. Measure angle AOX equal to alpha and measure angle BOX equal to beta. Here. Then measure angle AOB together we take alpha plus beta. Now unit vector, now we will take it. Let I and J be the unit vectors along x and y axis respectively. Yes. Now one small construction is there, that is draw AM perpendicular to OX and BN perpendicular to same OX. So this is one perpendicular and this is another perpendicular. So here the foot of this perpendicular is M and this is N. The direction is OA, the direction is O to M and M to A. Same way here the direction OB is O to N and N to B. Yes, this is a direction. So very easy to memorize this concept. OX, OY, OY are the two axes, and we take it 2 points A and B here. A is in the fourth quadrant, B is in the first quadrant, and alpha down here, beta up here, and together we take alpha plus beta. Yes, now this we draw a perpendicular. Then now we will take the coordinate of this point A. What is the coordinate? Same way for B. So for what is the cos alpha? Cos alpha is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is OM. OM by OA. So this implies OM equal to OA into cos alpha. Same way, sin alpha. Sin alpha is opposite m a by hypotenuse OA. This implies m a equal to o a sin alpha. Yes, OM is OM, the x coordinate, M A. This is parallel to y axis, so this is y coordinates. So now, since cos alpha is the down, because cos of minus alpha is cos alpha, cos of minus is plus. At the same time, sin of minus alpha equal to minus sin. So for this sign, for this will come here is minus will come. So this is here is we take one minus here now. Sin of minus alpha. This we take alpha minus. Yes, here we will take one minus now. So this coordinate is cos alpha comma minus sin alpha. Because this, if you take a vector, OA value will come 1. Because this radius is OA, modulus OA vector equal to 1. Yes. Same way, now we take the for beta, cos beta, because this is in the fourth quadrant. Cos is positive, so cos of minus theta will come plus cos theta. For sin, that is negative will come. Yes, cos beta equal to adjacent O n by OB. So O n equal to OB cos beta. Sin beta equal to opposite Bn by OB. Bn equal to OB sin beta. Same way here OB, this OB, the modulus OB vector is 1, because that is a unit circle. So this is B is cos beta comma sin beta. Because B here the beta, cos beta, sin beta. Here is A, for we take alpha, cos alpha comma minus sin alpha. Here only minus sin for minus. Yes. Now, so we take now what is OA vector? OA vector is OM MA. OM plus MA. OM is OM x-axis. For here x-axis cos alpha I. MA. Y-axis coordinates minus sin alpha minus sin alpha j. Cos alpha I minus, because this minus plus here, this plus and MA here is minus, so that is minus sin alpha j. Same way OB, vector OB equal to ON plus NB. ON is cos beta, I plus NB is y sin beta j. Now by definition, by so that is a vector dot b vector equal to modulus a vector modulus b vector into cos theta. Cos theta is angle between these two vectors. A dot b equal to modulus a into modulus b into cos angle between these two vectors. Yes, same way now we take this OA dot OB. OA dot OB equal to like this A dot B. Modulus A, modulus OA into modulus OB into cos of angle between them, that is alpha plus beta. This is because of the direction we put minus. Actually this magnitude is plus. So this is 1. So OA dot OB equal to cos alpha plus beta. Yes. So this is by this formula. But actually what is OA OB? OA OB equal to cos alpha I minus sin alpha j into cos beta I plus sin beta j. Now you multiply this using this vector I dot I is 1. I dot I is 1. Same way j dot j. I dot j equal to j dot I equal to 0. So only I dot I, j dot j are 3 dimensional. Suppose k dot k, that means 1 will come, others 0. So here I dot I cos alpha cos beta plus into minus minus sin alpha j dot j sin alpha sin beta, others combination will come 0. So now using this 1 and 2, this also OA dot OB, this also OA dot OB. So if left hand side is equal, right hand side also equal, therefore cos alpha plus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So, very simple concept. Yes. Now the second one, by vector method prove that cos alpha minus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So alpha plus means now we take one is down, one is up. Now alpha minus beta means both rays we will take the same quadrant. So this is x axis, this is y axis. Now we take this is now B, and here we take one A. This is bigger one alpha, and this one beta. This we take alpha minus beta. Yes, this diagram. So this we take beta. Sorry, B, beta, B. This is B. So now, as usual, like in previous case, so now we take 2 points. take 2 points A and B on the unit circle, with center as origin O. So this is the origin of this axis OX, OY. Now we consider this as a center. We draw one unit circle, that is OA, OB are the radii of the circle. One unit. Now we take the points, that is OB and OA. Say OA modulus OA equal to modulus OB equal to vector OA OB equal to say 1. Now, so measure angle same way AOX. Measure angle AOX equal to alpha and measure angle BOX equal to beta. Then what will come the difference? Measure angle AOB equal to alpha minus beta, because the bigger one is alpha. From this alpha we remove this beta, so we get alpha minus beta. Yes, let the two unit vectors I and J be the unit vectors along X and Y axis. Draw. Say what? Now we two perpendiculars, one from A. So we take this is M, and another one is from B. So we take this is N. Draw AM and BN are perpendiculars to x-axis. Yes. Say AM and BN, these two are perpendiculars to x-axis. Yes. Now the coordinates we want to find out. Same way, what is cos alpha? Cos alpha equal to, cos alpha is bigger one, opposite AM by OA. This implies AM is y coordinate. AM equal to OA cos alpha. If you take the vector, this OA is unit vector, so this modulus magnitude will come 1. Yes. Same way, BN equal to OM. Now we find out for OM. Sin alpha. Sin alpha is cos alpha equal to adjacent OM by OA. OM by OA. So this implies OM equal to OA cos alpha. Same way sin alpha. Sin alpha equal to, sin means opposite, AM by OA. AM equal to OA sin alpha. So OM is x coordinate, that is OA cos alpha. So this is cos alpha, sin alpha. Because OA is the unit radius. Same way for beta. using beta we find out for b cos beta comma sin beta. So now OA vector OA. Now we put the direction here now. For OA, O to M, M to A. For OB, O to N. Already here arrow, here is another one. Yes. So this is the direction. So OA equal to OM plus MA. OM is cos alpha. Cos alpha I, vector I, plus sin alpha vector, sin alpha j vector. This is for OA. OA is OM, MA. Cos alpha, sin alpha with unit vectors I and j. Same way for OB. ON and NB. ON for here is cos beta, sin beta. So cos beta I plus sin beta j vector. Yes. This is OA, OB. Now what is OA dot OB? Already first case we saw A dot B modulus A modulus B into cos of angle between them. Two vectors A dot B equal to modulus A modulus B into A, cos angle between these two vectors. The angle between these two vectors is alpha minus beta. So this is modulus OA modulus OB into cos alpha minus beta. Since this is 1, so OA dot OB dot equal to cos alpha minus beta. Yes. Actually, what is OA OB? OA OB multiply these two. OA OB cos alpha I sin alpha j into this one cos beta I plus sin alpha j, sin beta j, alpha here beta multiply this I dot I1, so cos alpha cos beta j dot j1 sin alpha sin beta. Since I dot I equal to j dot j equal to 1 vectors. Same way I dot j equal to j dot I equal to 0. If you take other combination, cos alpha I into sin beta j, 0 will come. Sin alpha j into cos beta I, this also 0 will come. So now this is we take 2 and this is we take 1. Left hand side is equal. Therefore cos alpha minus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Yes, proof. Very easy to understand. Yes. Thank you for watching this video.